Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manudas from Swastha Ayurveda Clinic, Nungambakam, Chennai. Today I want to share with you two short, simple instructions from Ayurveda which will have a great impact on your life and which is very, very relevant in this modern era. The first one goes like this: Sarva Dharmeshu Madhyamam. Sarva means everything. Dharmeshu means activities. Madhyamam means moderation or middle path. So, Sarva Dharmeshu Madhyamam means in every department of your life or every activities of your life, choose a middle path or choose a path of moderation. Never go to extremes in anything in your life, in any activities. Whether it is exercise, sleep, work, leisure, entertainment, never go to extremes. For example, some people, when doing exercise, they will get so obsessed with exercise. They will practically living in the gym. Morning 2 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours in the gym, evening 2 to 3 hours in the gym. It is not healthy. In other extremes, some people will never work out. They will be like a couch potato. That's also bad. So avoid these two extremes and choose a middle path. Like in diet also, some people go in extremes of diet, like extreme paleo diet, extreme low fat diet, high carbohydrate diet, low carb. Don't go like that extremes. Choose always a middle path in leisure, in your work, in every sleep. For example, sleep. Sleep also, some people oversleep. Some people sleep very less. Both are not healthy. Minimum you should sleep 6.5 hours a day and you should not sleep beyond 8 hours. So choose a middle path. It's always safe to use a middle path. It is called Sarva Dharmeshu Madhyamam. The second one is Ati Sarvatra Varjayed. Ati means excess. Sarvatra, every time. Varjayed, avoid. Avoid excess in everything. Either in food, diet, exercise, sleep. Excess, always you should avoid. These two are very important short instructions from Ayurveda, and please follow this and tattoo these advices and instructions in your brain. Thank you.